Hello, in this video I am going to show you how you can download and install the latest version of Google Chrome browser on your latest Mac operating system. The approach is applicable for other macOS operating system also. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first we need to access google.com without any hesitation, and we can use any browser like Safari browser or any other browser, whatever you have in your computer. Now we have to start typing Google Chrome browser over there. So if you type Google Chrome, then that is also fine, and hit enter key. Once you hit enter key, you will see Google Chrome browser is the download link of Google Chrome browser is there. Don't try to download this browser from other sites, because most of the time, so far I saw till now, they install some third-party add-ons or plugins. So try to avoid download and install from other website. Just come to official Google website. Once you are there, basically you will find this type of page. The browser built to be safe or something like that. It is changing, and there is a big button to download this thing. To install Chrome browser, at first we need to download it. We can easily download this thing from this link, google.com/chrome, and there is a big download button. We just need to click here and it will ask us where we want to download it. I'm going to save it in downloads folder. I'm going to click this save button and it will be downloaded over there. Once it is downloaded, then we can start installation. So I can directly go from here, or we can actually go to the location where it is downloaded and just double click on top of it. Once you double click on top of it, it will be in this type of window. Here it is showing there is an icon of Google Chrome browser, and there is like macOS operating system application window type of thing. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to drag this thing to here. See, there is an arrow, right? So it is meaning that you just need to drag and drop it inside it, then only it will be installed. So I'm going to drag it and then I'm going to drop it here, and very shortly it will be installed, and you will get this type of message like copying Google Chrome to applications folder. Okay, and once it is completed copying, then it will be gone, and now it is gone. Now we can close this thing, and we also remove the download version of Chrome. Now we can open the Chrome browser. We can click the spotlight search from here, or we can hold command key and spacebar key all together, and the spotlight search will be there. Just start typing Chrome and you will find that Chrome application is there. We just need to select it, and then we just need to click and press enter key or return key, or we need to click here. So once we click, then it will take some time, like verifying Google Chrome app. This type of small window it will be appeared. When Chrome is loaded for first time, generally it is coming. After that it will be gone, and here it is taking some time at the beginning. That's why I told you at the beginning it will take some time, but from next run it will not take that much time. So it is almost done. I see almost done, and here it is asking Google Chrome app is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? We just need to press the open button, because we know that we downloaded it from Google website, right? So basically that is perfectly fine. So I'm going to click this open, and very shortly the Chrome browser will be open, and here we are seeing that the browser is there, and there is a tab. Two tabs are there. One is like it is showing the latest update of Chrome, something is there, some information is there. Another is like new tab. Now you can use it, this browser, to do anything. For example, we want to access Google site like this, we can type it here, and that's it guys. In this way we can easily download and install latest version of Google Chrome browser for our latest Mac operating system. Thank you guys for watching the video.